Hello from me, Dina Marie, and I really tried today to make a Facebook Live video, but the bandwidth is just so poor, the quality, that it just looked terrible, 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 terrible. So, so I'm shooting a video on my computer, and this is what you see. Okay, so just quickly for you to remind you about the workshop that I'm doing in South Africa during July. We are in George on the 17th, then in Hermanus on the 20th, coming to Joburg on the 24th, and we will be in Cape Town on the 26th. And this workshop is how to make a lucrative living doing what you love. And it's about discovering your soul purpose, money, destiny. So it's not just about your soul purpose. And soul purpose is also not the same as your purpose. So that will be all revealed in the workshop. And of course, your soul purpose, destiny, your money destiny, it all depends on your energy and your mindset. And I will do beautiful exercises that day so that you can find out where are you going, what is your destiny of your mindset as it is, and of course what to do about that to make sure that you create a prosperous soul purpose divine business. Okay, so the link to sign up for this workshop is bit.ly/soul purpose destiny. And once you click on the link, you will see some information about the workshop. And if you scroll down a little, there's another little video that I made. A little bit below that, you will see there's a banner that says, I am coming to you. And there you will see the dates and the cities. Just click on that, which one it is that you would like to attend, and you will be taken to a checkout page where you can book your seat. Now you will see the amounts are in dollars, but don't worry about that. Just follow the instructions, just read them. Even if you do an EFT, you'll get an order and you just do a little sum to convert the dollars to rands, and you just make an EFT payment. But you know what? There's also magic in action, and that is to take action and book your seat. The rest will happen. You will definitely succeed in organizing whatever you need to organize so that you can attend that day. Again, it depends on what is more important to you. The pleasure of that freedom is also what I'm writing about this week, and versus the pain of the fear. You're going to allow your fears to keep you stuck, thinking about what is impossible, or are you going to actually take a chance on yourself and invest in you and come to that day? Of course, it's also going to be a wonderful celebration of women and entrepreneurs and meeting other women like you on the same journey. And of course, lots of opportunities for collaboration and networking with lunch and just being a woman. It's just fabulous. And I hope to see you there. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to contact me. And remember, we have a special offer at the moment. It's running out though. So if you want to attend this workshop, do it now. I'm looking forward to seeing you and to meeting you in person. And have a wonderful weekend.